What have you heard about Akwa Ibom ladies? You hear that they can cook, right? They can knack, right? They can take care of a man, right? And they are very, very neat. Well, that is true, apart from the knacking aspect. Talking for myself, I don't know about others. So today, guys, I just want to show you one of the native food in Akwa Ibom state, and it is called atomboro. I don't know the English name, and I don't even know if this particular delicacy has an English name. So this is how to prepare it. First of all, for you to prepare this type of meal, these are all you need. You need your banana, you need your grater because you're going to grate the banana. You need your onion, you need fresh pepper. You can as well use dry pepper. Then you need your red oil, you need your dry fish, you need your ugu, and you need your crayfish. That ugu is optional because this my owner did not put ugu, although I forgot to buy it from the market. So these are all you need for you to prepare this delicious, sumptuous, yummy Akwa Ibom food. So at this point, I was just putting my banana, the one I've grated already, inside the boiled water. So just if you want to do it, follow this process and you will make. If you can see the banana that I use is ripe. So the banana you're supposed to use is the unripe one. But the reason why I'm using this one is because I don't want the banana to waste, and I was actually craving for this very food. So that was the reason why I used it. And guys, trust me, it came out really, really good. So for this recipe, you can either use banana to make this food, or you use water yam. So I think I will make the water yam on, so that you guys will see and decide on the one you want to use, whether you want to use the banana or you want to use the water yam. So yeah, everything is almost ready now. So here is when I was adding my red oil. Guys, at some point the oil was too much, so I have to reduce it because I was just thinking that I'm putting the regular oil that I used to put, not knowing that this one is the original one from the village. So I have to scoop some oil out because it was too much. At this point my food was ready, and here is when I dish for myself and my children them. So here is when I serve myself. Guys, this food was super delicious. Like, I don't know the name that I used to describe the sweetness of this food. Seriously, it was so yummy. And eating this type of food, you're not going to use spoon, you're going to eat it with your hand. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. No spoon, just hand.